Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Important model question. 5 sin x plus 4 cos x equal to 3. Then find the value of 4 sin x minus 5 cos x. Okay. Actually, it is in the form of a cos x, a cos x. This is b sin x. This is small c. Then what is the question? A sin x, a sin x minus b cos x is what? First, we will take the proof of this statement. Later, according to that, we will write the answer directly. Okay, this is one per question. Next, similarly, it has the same model. A secant theta plus b tan theta equal to c. Then a tan theta plus b secant theta whole square is what? Understand? So almost all same model. So here, first we shall consider a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. Of course, it is given. It is given statement, right? And let what is our required value? Our required value is this one: a sin theta minus b cos theta. Actually, we don't know. That's why let it is k. Right? Let it be equation number 1 and equation number 2, where taking squaring and adding both equations. Understand? Then it will become very easy process. Right? So what we are doing? Equation 1 whole square plus equation 2 whole square, just like that. So therefore, a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square, LHS whole square, and LHS whole square, a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square, that is equal to c square plus k square. So that implies x plus y whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2ab sin theta cos theta plus x minus y whole square formula, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. So that is equal to c square plus k square by using x plus y whole square formula, x minus y whole square formula, just like that. X plus y whole square is what? X square plus y square plus 2xy. X minus y whole square is what? X square plus y square minus 2xy. So therefore, that is implying, of course, these two will be cancelled. Next, here a cos square theta we have, and a square cos square theta, it is a square sin square theta. So therefore, a square common in these two terms, a square into, it remains cos square theta plus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. A square into 1 is what? A square. So therefore, I will take the direct step. A square. Next, these two, b square sin square theta, b square cos square theta, b square cos square theta. So that is equal to plus b square. B square into sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1. 1 into b square, b square. Okay. Next, that is equal to, it is c square plus k square. So therefore, we want k value. So therefore, from this equation, k square is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. So that implies k equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c square. Almost all I said the proof for the shortcut. Understand? So therefore, in our problem, therefore, k equal to plus or minus root of a square. A is what? 4. 4 square. 4 square. B square. B is what? 5. 5 square. 5 square. Minus C. C is what? 3. 3 square. It is 3 square. So that is equal to plus or minus whole root of 16 25 minus 9. That is equal plus or minus root of 25 minus 9, 16. 16 plus 16 means 2 into 16 means 4 root 2. That is equal to, I will write the direct step 4 root 2. It is plus or minus 4 root 2. But in the option plus 4 root 2 is there. Therefore, second option is right. Next to another question, same model. A secant theta plus B tan theta is equal to C. Then find the value of A tan theta plus B secant theta. Understand? Right. Let us consider A tan theta. A tan theta plus B secant theta whole square. We have to find this value. Understand? Find this value. This is our question. Okay, let it be. What is given? Given that A secant theta plus B tan theta, that is equal to C. So let us take squaring on both sides. It is A secant theta plus B tan theta whole square, that is equal to C square. So that implies x plus y whole square. A square means A square secant square theta plus B square tan square theta plus 2AB secant theta into tan theta, using that x plus y whole square formula. So that is equal to C square. Okay, I will take another method for this question. Actually, in the question, A into tan theta means A coefficient is what? Tan. Okay. Here in this step, A coefficient means A square coefficient is secant square. So we will have to obtain the coefficient as a tan. That's why it is better to express secant square theta in terms of tan square theta. Is there any formula or relation between secant and tan? Yes. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is the basic formula. Okay, I will write here 1 plus tan square theta. It is the fundamental formula. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So that implies A square into 1 plus tan square theta. You can ask me, sir, what is the need of expressing secant square theta in terms of tan square theta? Because in the given question, the coefficient of A is a tan theta. That's why I changed the coefficient secant square theta in terms of tans. Therefore, similarly, B square. What is the coefficient of B? Secant. But we are having tan square. Same. From this equation or fundamental formula, tan square theta can be expressed as secant square theta minus 1. So therefore, B square into secant square theta minus 1 plus 2AB secant theta into tan theta, that is equal to C square. So that implies A square into 1 is what? A square, and A square, let us multiply or open the bracket as usually. A square tan square theta plus B square secant square theta minus B square plus 2AB secant theta into tan theta, that is equal to C square. So that is imply it can be written as A square tan square theta means it is A into tan theta whole square plus here B square secant square B into secant theta whole square. Okay, later this 2AB secant theta into tan theta can be expressed as 2 this A tan theta into B secant theta, so that the multiplication is same as 2AB secant theta tan theta, that is equal to C square. So that is imply already A square here, A square minus B square is there. I will send this A square minus B square in RHS side, then it will become minus A square, means plus A square becomes on the other hand minus A square. minus b square becomes on the other hand plus b square. On the other hand means right hand side. So this is true. Next, so it is in the form of again x square plus y square plus 2xy. It is nothing but x plus y whole square. So therefore it is a tan theta. X means a tan theta plus y means b secant theta whole square. We are obtaining gradually, we are obtaining the same a tan theta plus b secant theta whole square, that is equal to c square plus okay, I will keep in order, I will put in order, alphabetical order, then first positive values b square plus c square minus a square. So out of 4 options, where is b square plus c square minus a square? B square plus c square minus a square. It is in second option. Hence, the problem is over. Question, simple question. If x equal to a secant to the power of n theta and y equal to b tan to the power of n theta, then what is its value? Observe that in options theta is not there. At least in question also theta is not there. What does it mean? It is called nothing but elimination of theta. What is that? Elimination of theta. 1 minute. For our convenient means shortcut. Put or take n is equal to 1. I am taking n equal to 1. Then the equations will become x equal to a secant theta, y equal to b tan theta. Okay. So from this equation, x divided by a equal to secant theta and y by b is equal to tan theta. You can ask me, sir, what is the need of obtaining the values of secant theta and tan theta? Did you know that? Did you remember that? The fundamental statement or fundamental principle, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Actually, so many authors saying that it is a identical property. It is not identical property. It is fundamental formula. Secant square minus tan square. Already I said that 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. From this equation I derived like that. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Secant square theta minus secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. In RHS side, where is theta? No. Understand? So, in elimination of theta, we are using fundamental identities. Understand? Or fundamental formula. It is not identical property. It is only formula, standard formula, fundamental formula. Okay. So therefore, for which we are taking the squaring on those sides. So therefore, it is nothing but x by a whole square is equal to secant square theta and y by b whole square is equal to tan square theta. But we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So secant square theta is what? X by a whole square minus tan square theta means y by b whole square, that is equal to 1. So we took n is equal to 1. Then question will becomes x by a whole to the power of 2 by 1 means 2 minus y by b whole to the power of 2 by 1 means 2. This value. This value is what? 1. Where is 1? It is in third option. What does it mean? Without loss of generality, for all values of theta, that is equal to 1. So in other words, you can put any value for theta here in this equation and in this equation without loss of generality. Without loss of generality means what? Don't take theta equal to 90 degrees. because tan 90 degrees is not defined, that is equal to infinity. Here secant theta is there. Secant theta means what? 1 by cos theta. Don't take theta equal to odd multiples of pi by 2. Means don't take theta equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, like that. Understand? So without loss of generality, we have to take the value of theta. So therefore, for all theta without loss of generality, this value is equal to 1. Hence, third option is right. This is also one small problem, easy problem. The equations are given as x equal to h plus p secant alpha and y equal to k plus q cosecant alpha. Actually, these are called parametric equations. Next question is what? In the question also alpha angle not is there. In option also angle not is there. Means here also we have to eliminate alpha. Understand? This is called elimination of alpha or elimination of angle. Okay. Once again, you can recall the identical property or fundamental formulae. Actually, fundamental formulae sin square theta plus cos square theta, I will recall it. Number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. It is identical formula, identity. Okay. Number 2, 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to secant square theta, or in other words, secant square theta minus tan square theta, that is equal to 1. And the third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So that implies cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, that is equal to 1. Okay. Of course, it is only the identical property. These two are called fundamental properties. Understand? Right. You come here. So first, let us take the equation as x minus h, that is equal to p into secant alpha. So from this equation, secant alpha is equal to x minus h divided by p. So therefore clearly, what is cos alpha? Cos alpha is equal to p by x minus h, like that. This is cos alpha. Understand? And from the second equation, y minus k, that is equal to q cosecant alpha. So cosecant alpha equal to y minus k divided by q. Therefore, sin alpha is what? Reciprocal. Q divided by y minus k. Actually, you can ask me, sir, what is the need of converting these two given equations in terms of sin and cos while they are having in terms of secant alpha and cosecant alpha? Actually, we don't have any identical formula in terms of secant alpha and cosecant alpha. We have the identical formula for sin and cos, means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's why I converted these two given equations in terms of sin and cos. Therefore, what is sin square alpha? Tell me. Squaring on both sides, it is q square divided by y minus k whole square. And what is cos square alpha? Cos square alpha is equal to p square divided by x minus h whole square. So therefore, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, that is equal to 1. So that implies, what is sin square alpha? It is q square divided by y minus k whole square plus what is cos square alpha? It is p square divided by x minus h whole square, that is equal to 1. So what is the question? P by x minus h means that implies first I will write this p divided by x minus h whole square plus q divided by y minus k whole square, that is equal to 1. So which option is right? First option is right. Hence the problem. If capital A, capital B, capital C are angles of a triangle, so that capital A is obtuse. Capital A is obtuse. Obtuse means A greater than 90 degrees. Okay. Actually, in any triangle, say ABC, the sum of interior angles is 180 degrees. This is the basic formula. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. When A is greater than 90 degrees, then definitely B comma C are acute angles. Acute angles. Okay. Acute angles means what? B comma C less than 90 degrees. So definitely its sum B plus C is less than 90 degrees. Okay, right? Because for example, less than 90 degrees means, for example, say 89 degrees. It is greater than 90 means 91. So that it is 180. Understand? Just like that. So what I am telling that out of three angles, if one is obtuse angle, definitely both are means capital B remaining capital B comma capital C are acute angles, and that to be its sum is also less than 90 degrees means acute angle. So therefore that implies capital B is less than 90 degrees minus C. Then apply tan on both sides. Tan B is less than tan of 90 degrees minus C. So that implies tan B is less than tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So it is cot C. So therefore tan B is less than, it is 1 by tan C. By cross multiplication, tan B into tan C is less than 1. So tan B into tan C is less than 1. It is in second option. Hence second option is right. If f of x equal to x cubed minus 2x square plus 3x minus 5, then what is the value of f of sin 5 by 2, f of sin of 3 pi by 2? This is the question. Listen, actually this is the sine graph. It is rough sine graph. Y-axis, x-axis. What is it? Sine. Sine means it is the sine graph, just like that. So at x equal to pi by 2, the maximum value is equal to 1. Of course it is minus 1, minimum value. 1 pi by 2, it is 2 pi by 2. This one is 3 pi by 2. This is minus 1. Next 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2. Next 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2. This is 5 pi by 2. It is better to use the graph of sin x. So therefore, sin of 5 pi by 2 means plus 1. It is plus 1. It is the maximum value. Sin of 3 pi by 2 means it is minus 1. So therefore, this question is equal to f of sin of 5 pi by 2 means what? Plus 1. It is plus 1. Next, f of sin of 3 pi by 2 means minus 1. This is minus 1. So as usually, f of 1 means rough work. 1 cubed minus 2, next plus 3 minus 5. How much? 4. 4 minus 2. 2. 2 minus 5 minus 3. Okay. Next plus f of minus 1. F of minus 1 means this is minus 1. Next minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Minus 1. Okay, I will write the complete step. F of minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cubed minus 2 into, just instead of x we are writing minus 1, plus 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So that is equal to, it is minus 1 minus 2 into plus 1 minus 3 minus 5. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. So 8, 10, 11 minus 11. So it is minus 11. That is equal to minus 14. This is the answer. Hence the problem. Next question. If cos A, sin A, cot A are in GP. Actually, the basic formula is GP means geometric progression. if A comma B comma C are in geometric progression, then B square is equal to AC. This is the standard formula or property. So therefore, this is a small a, this is small b, small c. Therefore, we are having b square. B square means what? Sin square. Sin square a is equal to AC cos a cos a into c. C means what? Cot a, cot a. So that implies sin square a is equal to cos a into, actually cot a is equal to cos a divided by sin a. So that implies sin square a cos into cos, cos square. So we can write divided by cos square a equal to just it is 1 by sin a. So this is tan square a. This is tan square a. That is equal to cosecant a. This is tan square a is equal to cosecant a. Next, okay, what is the question? This is the question. Question is equal to tan to the power of 6a minus tan square a. That is equal to, so tan square a common, it can be tan to the power of 4a minus 1. That is equal to, it is tan square into 4 means what? Tan square whole square minus 1. Tan square a is what? Cosecant a. This is, okay, I will put the same. It is tan square a into, okay, tan square a is what? Cosecant a. Cosecant a whole square. Cosecant square a minus 1. That is equal to tan square a into cosecant square. Actually, I said one basic formula means fundamental formula. 1 plus cot square a means cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Thus, cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So therefore, this can be cot square a. This can be cot square a. Understand? So that is equal to, this is tan a into cot a whole square. So therefore, it is 1. 1 whole square is equal to 1. Hence, third option is right. This is somewhat important question.